No matter the event, Russell Tree Experts provides disaster relief and debris management services. From the East Coast to the West Coast, we're here to help communities get back on their feet. Our dedicated employees are there to serve whenever they're needed. With our national footprint and extensive network of trusted disaster response partners, Russell Tree Experts has the ability to deploy personnel and resources across the 48 contiguous United States within 24 hours' notice. With prepositioned contract vehicles, Russell Tree Experts can efficiently and effectively deliver the resources you need when you need them, where you need them. Our disaster management team is available 24/7 by calling our office at 614-895-7000.